It's almost a self-fulfilling prophecy. You know, if you had visibility, you would be able to tell what's going on and where the inefficiencies are. But because you don't have a map, aka you don't have data lineage, you don't know what's going on. And so you're blind. And if you're blind, you can't really estimate the ROI. Is that kind of what's going on, or there's more to it?
In many cases, these inefficiencies are, as you said, scattered across different teams. And because of that, they are also sort of accounted for in the particular projects. So during the initial analysis phase, Lineage will actually save you a lot. It can save you easily 50-70% because that analysis phase that basically tries to map, what data we need, who consumes the data. So if you have it, you basically can speed up the analysis phase very, very much. But even more importantly, what we see quite often, and again, one of the analyst reports confirms that, it's actually very hard to assess the project scope at the very beginning. Only when it's about 70% done, you understand the true scope of the project. And then you actually start adjusting either the scope to fit into your budget, or actually you start adjusting the budget.
For those that are listening that really want to understand how this thing actually works in practice, how does automated data lineage actually work? Is it a thing you deploy? Is it a piece of software you install? What should we expect?
There are definitely different approaches on how to automate lineage gathering. The one that we use at MANTA is we really focused on your existing environments that you have and you need to document, right? So we do that by scanning the code, your stored procedures in databases, your reports, your ETL jobs, and by reverse engineering that code that is actually responsible for data movement, we document the data lineage. What we see is that like 70 to 90%, depending on the organization, on the scope, can be done through automated scanning. Typically something like 5 to 20% of systems that already have lineage built in or that are metadata driven. And there should be something around like 5%, up to 5% of manually provided lineage.